Hey, Pat Flanagan here. I'm going to show how you can create professional 300 dpi print quality e-covers quickly and easily with the PSDeCovers Templates Package. For this demonstration, I'm going to create a software box using the Smart Software Box template. I'm in Photoshop right now, and you can see if we go over to the layers that there is a layer group called Box. If I open that layer group up, we have a layer called Front and a layer called Side. Now these are special layers. These are smart objects, and you can see right here in the lower right corner of the thumbnail a little symbol that designates it as being a smart object. So what we need to do first to create the front is to open up this smart object, and you double click on the little icon in the thumbnail. This will give you a warning saying that when you choose File and Save, it will change commit the changes that you made in the smart object. You can just click OK here. And what that does is it opens up another document. Now this is an actual separate graphic, and any changes that we make to this graphic, once we save it, will show up on the front of the box. So what I'm going to do here is open up a cover design that I already have made. This is it right here. And what you can do is create your e-cover right directly in this smart object, or you can take a pre-created one and just drag it over, and that's what I'm going to do. In my e-cover design, I have all of the files, or all of the layers, excuse me, in a layer group. So I'm going to drag that over onto the smart shape. At this point, I can close my sample cover design, and you'll see when I close the smart shape, it asks if I'd like to save changes, and yes, I do. And boom, it's right there on the box. It's all angled properly and at the right perspective so that it looks like a three-dimensional box. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the side or spine. We'll open that up. Let's move it over here. Wanted to move there. Okay, fine, I'll leave it there. And we'll open up my sample side design. Going to do the same thing, drag it over onto this, and looks like I need to put it up to the top layer. Close my sample, close my smart object, and we're done. At this point, you can save this, save it as a new document, not over your original template, or you can go to File, Save for Web, and export into any format that you like. If you turn the background off, that's the BG layer, you'll see that it is a transparent object that you can save as, I recommend a PNG file so that it maintains the transparency and can go on to any color background that you want, and it will have a shadow that will show up perfectly. So that's how easy it is. It's just a couple of steps. In a couple of seconds, you have a professional looking e-cover.